but we have the non-caseating granulomas. Now the IBD, we all know that is your ulcerative colitis and the Crohn's disease, which is also associated with our non-caseating granulomas, right? But there are certain conditions that we should know. The first is that there is something called as a foreign body giant cells, right? So in this you can see that again these are the type of the giant cells, and the nucleus is present throughout the cytoplasm in this condition, which is seen in case of the various infective granulomatous conditions like tuberculosis, we have the sarcoidosis, we have the leprosy, and many more. Brucellosis you can take. Next we have the Langerhans types giant cells. We'll see that it was a PYQ question. Now in this, the nuclei are present at the periphery, right? So the nuclei are arranged at the periphery, and the next thing is that again it is going to seen in case of the infective granulomatous conditions like we have the tuberculosis, we have the sarcoidosis. Now we have the Totten giant cells. So these are the ones which are very specific for your xanthomas. We have the Ashkoff cells, right? So we have the Ashkoff cells, very simple in the rheumatic nodules, right? Seen in the RHT. So these Ashkoff cells are just osteoclast. Next we have the Reed-Sternberg cells that we all know, which is going to be found in case of the Hodgkin's disease. Then there is a very important cell, that is Warden-Finkel-D giant cells, which are going to be seen in case of the measles, right? So let's have a discussion on the PYQ's questions that was being asked previously. The thing is that first thing, the nuclei are arranged at the periphery in which type of the cells? We have already discussed. This is Langerhans cell giant cells. Stellate granulomas with the necrotic debris, with the neutrophils. These are seen in case of the cat scratch disease. Granuloma formation is not seen in, it's seen in the Hodgkin's, it's seen in the sarcoid, Q fever, leprosy, brucellosis, but asthma is a type of the type 1 hypersensitivity reaction, right? So it's not a type of the chronic inflammation that is there, it's a type 1 hypersensitivity reaction in which there is increased IgE antibodies inside the body of the organism. Then this Warden-Finkel-D bodies, which is a very specific for our measles, right? So this is very specific for the measles, and we have various manifestations of the measles which can be there. There is Hechets, very specific pneumonia, which is by the measles. Okay, thank you.